Have you noticed texture changes in your hair, dryness, frizziness? I sometimes describe mine as having a cotton candy feel. If you're shocked at what's happening to your hair, you are not alone. Our video topic today is one that's close to many of our hearts: hair texture changes as we age. Hi, I'm Denise Kennedy, your nutritionist and health coach. This month, our theme has been focused around hair health. For better or worse, hair texture changes are usually a normal part of aging. Dang it. I want to mention right here that each Wednesday of the month in May, our wellness newsletter is also focusing on hair health. Sign up below so you can receive more detailed information about how to restore the smoothness and shine in your hair. As we age, our hair often undergoes significant changes, and it's completely normal to feel emotionally affected by these shifts. From thinning to graying to dry and frizzy, these changes can sometimes challenge our self-image and our confidence. Let's look at 4 root causes and potential solutions. Number 1, hormonal shifts, particularly during menopause or andropause, can lead to hair thinning, hair loss, and texture changes. Combat this by maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Number 2, decreased oil production from the scalp. A solution is to incorporate hydrating hair masks. And right here, let me mention, in our newsletter, you'll find a great all-natural hair and scalp mask that leaves your hair moisturized and soft and silky. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Number 3, environmental damage can contribute to changes in the hair texture over time. Excessive heat styling can damage hair follicles and lead to texture changes. When possible, adapt to heat-free styling and use protective hair products to prevent further damage. Also, consider using a sulfate-free shampoo to prevent further moisture loss from the hair shaft. 4, the biggest lifestyle factor that contributes to damaged health, including our hair, is stress. Managing stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation, prayer, and specific hobbies that you love, they help you stay in a positive energy that facilitates healing and happiness. Now, you might be wondering, will I see any hair improvements? And the answer is yes. With the right care and treatment, many people do experience positive changes in their hair texture. But you have to be faithful to the process. It's all about consistency and patience. And how long will it take, you ask? It varies from person to person. Some may notice improvements within weeks, while others it may take months of dedicated care. Remember, progress is gradual, so stay committed to your routine. As we wrap up, I want to offer some words of encouragement. Embracing the changes that are happening as a natural part of the aging process can empower us. Loathing and hating the aging process is like battling the wind. It doesn't do any good, and it wears us out. The best thing for us is to prioritize a wellness plan. Get a health coach. Remember, you are not alone on this journey unless you choose to make it that way. By taking proactive steps and seeking support when needed, you can embrace your unique beauty at every stage of life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our Wednesday Wellness newsletter for more tips and insights on embracing aging gracefully. Until next time, stay happy, stay confident.